Alright folks, this is a project bike my dad's been building since back in about May maybe, after a couple of months being locked in his house during lockdown. He said to me, is it alright if I come up to the depot and start working on this Honda? So it's a 1980 CX500. He received it off a mate who had it in his garage, who was storing it for his son, I think it was. And his son had buggered off to America to live. So he said to my dad, do you want this, John? And my dad said, yeah, go for it. So he borrowed my van one day and he came back with a frame and a multitude of boxes and bags of bits. So since May he threw it all together, got it complete, got it running, started first time with a new battery. My dad's 83, so he is. He's been a biker for most of his years, but thankfully gave up a couple of years back, which is a relief. So this is past his time during lockdown. So yesterday he went through to Fife and picked up the parts that he was getting spray painted. So it's ready to go almost. He got it painted the original red that it was to begin with. And I'm looking forward to seeing all these bits back on it again. It started first time when he put a new battery on it after he'd got it built. So I'm looking forward to seeing this getting finished off.